on my buttons when I hesitate. Gas me up, give me motivation. Show me where we going, make a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Lotion on my buttons when I hesitate. Gas me up, give me motivation. Show me where we going, make a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Come get it alive. Oof. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This video is going to be for the girls because you already know we don't gatekeep over here. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyra and today we're doing something a little different. We're doing an everything shower routine. So if you're in need of some ideas on how to change up your shower routine, or you just like the relaxing elements of shower routines, if you're trying to figure out how to get your scents to last longer on you, then you've come to the right place. We'll be washing our hair, we'll be showering, we'll be doing skincare, and I will also show you how you can stay fresh as a daisy for 24 hours. Sit back, relax, let's unwind, let's take care of ourselves today and have ourselves a little self-care day. Without further ado, let's get started, shall we? All right, first things first, we gotta do something with this hair because the way that this is so weighed down with so much product, oh my gosh. So we're gonna start off here with just saturating the hair. And then we have our Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Purifying Shampoo. I'm mainly focusing on the scalp with this, but I am still getting the strands too. Did it show up on the video? Not at all, no. But I promise you, I did get in there pretty good, if I do say so myself. But you definitely don't want to stop it at a purifying shampoo. You do want to follow it up with a hydrating shampoo or a moisturizing shampoo. It's been a year since I have gotten the curly perm. What I had was the Wave Nouveau. But I just want to start fresh, and I'm thinking I might do a keratin treatment next. But for now, I think I'm going the straight natural route. Alright, and now for the conditioner, I have the Thank God I'm Natural. I really love the Thank God I'm Natural hairline. They do a good job with their products. And while I'm letting that deep conditioner sit, I am going to shave, because that's needed as well. I know y'all see me raise my arms up in the beginning of that video. I know it's rough, but they call this an everything shower for a reason. Now, personally, when it comes to me washing my body, I love using a washcloth, but I feel like people are divided between washcloths and loofahs. I've seen the African net sponge starting to get pretty popular too, but let me know in the comments, what do you like to use while you take your shower? Okay, so ladies, for our lady parts, because it's more sensitive than the rest of our body, I do like to use a feminine wash because it's important to clean down there too. We just need something a bit more gentler and pH balanced to do it. Up next, I have the Sugar Scrub, the Moroccan Rose. Oh my gosh, guys, the way that this smells so good. For my shower, I did want to kind of stick to that rose kind of theme. And now that we're all scrubbed down, we gotta wash out this deep conditioner. And this water is pretty cool. Goodness gracious. I'm not a huge fan of cold showers or cool showers, so this will definitely wake you up if you're not up already. And we're done. I don't know about you, but I hate when the water just like runs all down my face like that. And
I did try out that Garnier Sleek and Stay serum. It said your hair was supposed to stay straight for up to 5 washes. This has been wash 1 since I've used it. Yeah.
But let's get on to that skincare.
Starting off with the CeraVe. I really like this one because I have dry, flaky skin, so this is going to be a hydrating cleanser. Well, it's not going to be too harsh on my face. It does still feel a tad bit dry because it is a soap still. So I'm going to follow this up with I'm from Rice Toner. Oh my gosh, guys, I was gifted this. Okay, fine, I was gifted this, but I am so happy they gifted this to me because it makes my skin feel amazing. I tried to use the Belief cream that I was gifted just alone. No, it wasn't cutting it. But those skincare products that come straight from Korea, I'm telling you, they work magic. Hello Recipes up next for their serum. I like it. It's not too heavy and it smells like watermelon. It's cool. It's cool. And then there goes that Belief I was telling you about. Because it's starting to get hotter outside, while I do have dry skin, I don't have to lock it in with an oil like how I have to in the winter. So no, this works perfectly for me.
All right, now for the smell good part.
Brazilian Boom Boom Cream coming up first. It's weird, I can only do this cream on my legs. I cannot do this cream on the top part of my body. It makes the top part of my body break out. But I do like to follow it with this Brazil Nut body oil I got from Trader Joe's. Guys, if you guys have a Trader Joe's near you, please, please, please get it. It smells so nice and your skin's all glistening. Now that we have that oil, this is where the perfume lasts longer, because it has something to grab onto. Since I can't have the Boom Boom cream on my top half, I followed up with the Moroccan Rose, but their lotion. I love the scent so much, if you can't tell. And to finish out the perfume, I am also adding the Lattafa Yara to the upper half of my body, of course. And you gotta do the attitude and walk off with the spray. I sometimes have a little bit of perfume that comes off on my finger, so while it's still wet, I'll just put that behind my ears.
And we're done. All right, I thought I would spare you guys from seeing me actually style and do my hair, because that, let's be real, that's a whole process. But if you want to see how I went from washing and conditioning it to the painstakingly long process of blow drying it and then also straightening every tiny little piece, let me know. It'll be fun. It could be, because I feel like I finally got the silk press down and it only took me 1,000 years to do it. Wow. This is an art, it really is. But is this not a look? I am ready to take on the day. I hope you guys like this video and I hope y'all could benefit from some of these tips that I was able to show you in this video. If you have any tips, put them in the comments on how you like to smell good for 24 hours. And I will see you on our next adventure. Bye.